entire table is taken up. And you can basically see what I see right now. Okay, so just avoid this part. Let's see. Just avoid this part. Avoid the back, but center's fine. Alright. So we got these. Why am I even using these things? I have these things. How am I even using these things? AirPods with the wireless charging case. Where the fuck that means. Here they are. Apple. Can't see that. Serial numbers, I don't think, anyways. Wireless charging case. Oh wait, aren't those like... Shouldn't the back of the little peeling thingy you do? Like every single Apple product in entire history forever has had. Damn it, dude! Sorry about the fucking macarons table, guys. That's why it's so scratched up from the goddamn unboxing I've done. I decided to record it today, though. Here we go, AirPods. I just realized you guys probably couldn't see that. AirPods. You know what? Fuck it. Look at the fucking serial numbers like I want. I don't give a shit. I just saw somebody hide it one time, so I figured I'd hide it too. Designed by Apple in California. God damn it. Come on, please tell me they come with them. And... what the hell is this for? Oh, it's the human ear. And... come on, please tell me Apple stickers. Damn it, no fucking Apple stickers. I think I've seen people set up AirPods. My iPhone has been picking them and then I stopped recording. Is it? Let me check. A second. I just have my fucking lamps off. My lamps is off. So I guess I gotta unplug it from my goddamn smart plug. Plug it in the regular plug. And then point it over here. Good thing I noticed, huh? I'm fucked. Damn, this is a lot of fucking light. First, put this to the side again. And, then it come with a fucking wireless charger or brick. Huh, kinda asshole-y. There we are. That was all the accessories, right? Yep. Trash can. Nothing else to do but unbox these, so I guess unsave these. Always gotta save the packaging, guys. This sleevey stuff, you always want to save that. I always do anyways. Wow. It has a little special thing over the hinge. A button. And this one. Oh, that's the on button, of course. Oh, no, please don't pop over my fucking phone. Okay, good. It did that with my Apple Watch too. When I was setting it up, oh, it's charging right now. Yeah. Whenever I was setting my Apple Watch up, it was doing a thing where it was like popping up. I don't know what stopped the recording. I don't know, but put this back in here. Put this back up here. I'll put this back like that. And then take this out. Fucking yeah. that it? I think I just put these in backwards. Nope, put them in the right way the first time. Here we are. There, get some stuffing in them in. Oh my god, that's so much fun. So much fun. These things open up so nicely. The Gen 2 are smaller than I expected. Oh no. They didn't fix the error with the Gen 2. I was hoping they would, where it's like, you do this, you try to stand it up like that. You still can't stand it up like this. You can't stand it up like that. You can't even lean it back like that because, you know, it will fucking close. So, there's one, there's two. There's the case. Actually, I'm gonna have to keep popping up because of the pop message. I don't want it to fuck up. So, yeah. That's pretty much it with the AirPods setup. Oh, not gonna fit in there. Oh, I was hoping it fit in there, but it's not. So, yeah, I shall be using these a lot. Okay. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, fuck. There goes that. That's too much fun. Look at this, guys. Okay, I should stop that. I thought it broke for a second there, but nope. Okay, so apparently this is magnetic. My little bit. Little bitch. Yeah. Alright. So yeah, that was the video. AirPods unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed. So please leave a like, comment, favorite, subscribe, and peace out, suckers. Yes, this writing on my hand did say kill yourself earlier, if you guys were wondering.